Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a target object in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing to do is just to go to your setup page. So click on the lightning bolt icon here. We go to setup and here we will need to go to our object manager so we can start creating the target objects. So you can search for it in the quick finder if you would like. So here we just type object manager and we click for it. And basically I have it already here and I'm just going to search for any object that you want to create a target for example, leads or assets or accounts or whatever. So let's just go for assets. I'm going to click on them. And here we will find the fields in relationship. And basically, all those are looking for a target or are having relationship with already a target. You can create a target by just creating a new relationship. I'm just going to create a custom field, for example, and from there you can, for example, have a lookup relationship. So whenever you are having this type, it will start creating a relationship that links the object to another object, which would be the target object. So from here, I'm just going to click on next and relate it to which table or which object. You can make it lead even if it does not really make sense, but it's just how you can create a target. So from here, you can just give it a name of the field, etc. You click on next, and after that, you will have the field level security for this profile. You can make it either visible or read only, and we click next, next, and then we will need just to save. And now that we have created for a relationship, we can start creating our actions or targetings. So from here, I'm just going to click on a new action, for example, and from here, you will need just to target the field that you have created. In our case, it was you will need just to target an action, and from here you can give it any type of action, either send an email, log a call, or anything. So I'm just going to create a record, for example, and basically you will need just to target any objects that you have in your fields, and basically we will need just to give it a label type, and from here you will have already many labels or many types, and after that you will need just to click on save and you will have your target action that will have been created. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.